Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Vijay Education App. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's for iOS or Android. Once installed, you'll need to create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. The registration process takes less than 2 minutes. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your learning journey and available content. It's designed for easy navigation. Now, let's dive into the learning content. You can access all your enrolled courses directly from the home screen. Each course is thoughtfully organized into modules with an average of 10 to 15 lessons per module. Within each lesson, you'll find engaging video lectures, downloadable notes, and short quizzes to test your understanding. The app clearly shows your progress, helping you stay motivated and on track with your studies. The Vijay Education app offers several interactive tools to enhance your learning. Take advantage of our comprehensive quizzes and practice tests, which provide instant feedback on your performance. You can also connect with a vibrant community through our discussion forums, where you can ask questions and collaborate with fellow learners and expert instructors. Plus, explore a rich library of supplementary materials, including over 100 ebooks and dozens of extra video lectures, all designed to deepen your knowledge. Finally, personalize your learning experience to suit your unique needs. You can customize your dashboard to highlight subjects most relevant to you, ensuring a focused study environment. Set up daily or weekly study reminders to help you stay consistent and build strong learning habits. Should you encounter any technical issues or have questions, our friendly support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, directly through the in-app help section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.